Hello, ladies and gentlemen. So, I said today, make I come here una story how una take become Arsenal fan. You know, so everybody they say I be Arsenal fan, I be Arsenal fan. You know, say some of us, come like say some people get more loyalty to the club than others. So, I just want to hear how una story be. Like for me now, how they become Arsenal fan now. When I did very small, I think maybe now when I did secondary school, I be went safe. We had to follow some bros go watch match. So from there, where then they play PS1 and PS2. Now they watch ball together. So from there, they watch us now. And when Kano self come join us now, come they play for us now. So that initially self now Bolton at first they support because of JJ Okocha. When JJ did for Bolton, so if Bolton they play all of us, they like to go watch Bolton onto JJ, you know those kind of package. But now we say Kanu come dey for Arsenal that year, so come dey watch Arsenal, come dey like the way they play, you know. Some African guys sef come dey join them, we just dey enjoy their style of play until we Kanu come comot. Me sef I no gree comot again, I come dey gbadu how they take dey play. I know say that year they bin dey talk say Arsenal dey play like Barcelona, tiki taka, the way they dey play. So all those things follow for wetin make me love how Arsenal take dey play. So till today I can't go do research for Arsenal, understand their philosophy, understand their culture, how they play, and when Wenger self can't did there, that one self can't give me some kind of ginger. I like the way the man they play, and when Arsenal self can't do invisible, even though those invisible time, I no lie, I don't really, I dey watch that match, but I dey small that time, I no really follow them per se. I no fit talk say I watch every play, but I no really gbadu their football because that I never really get footballing sense. Just dey watch people shout go, people shout go. So na so just be I no really understand how everything dey go. Unlike now wey be say I fit dey analyse football, I don't understand football go deep. So that's just the difference now. So apart from my own self, una own say how you take become Arsenal fan? Either you join me. Man, we ain't
my brother, thank you.
Aye na, you don hear wetin we dey talk about now. How you take become Arsenal fan, baba?
So now the time of Flaminia now become Arsenal fan.
The time of who?
Flaminia.
Flamini.
Adebayo.
Okay, Adebayo. Okay. How you take push? You say now your brother they carry you go watch abi? Wetin how you take happen?
No, that time they go pay money, go watch match. Almost if Arsenal they play, then go say today only Arsenal play. Arsenal fans now they want. Every all the Arsenal players will go enter there now. So person come become Arsenal fan.
Okay. What will be your most memorable Arsenal moments? The moment we say it don't happen for your Arsenal, we say you know if you forget that moment, the sweet you die. You get any moment like that, so if you share with us.
Anytime when I watch Arsenal, mostly the time when I love pass for Arsenal, now the time of Fabregas, this is Fabregas.
Okay.
His collab or his how he did they play, nine they sweet me that time. Even if all the old clubs when I get that time, I go put all of them Fabregas, whether not JCO, no be JCO, I put all of them saying at Fabregas. Say I carry Arsenal, anything when they talking about Arsenal, I'll carry them for head. I go talk say guy, in my club, nothing did happen. We will fight.
Okay.
To today, with this time with Arsenal.
Okay.
It's one of my best clubs so far, whether good or bad.
Okay. All right. So what will be the improvements you would like to see for this Arsenal? What we get now?
For now, I know talk say Arteta no good. He good, you know, and now he try to build up young guys. He try to build them up, and I like the spirit where we take the move now. If they continue with this spirit where they right now, presently now, we'll go far. Even the top 4, we'll go play man.
Okay.
Because anything we make Chelsea now fuck up. Me, I believe say when they don't say and say if we not go fit come up for that top 4 because Champions League, they want go, boys want go the Champions League.
Yeah.
They're not go like to fuck up. They're not go like to fall down. They go like to make sure say that top 4 or 3 will block them. Forget this one we Tottenham they do, then they try, but we'll go overcome them.
Okay.
So now the issue be that I tell that they try. For now, they try. For now, they try very, very well. But one thing when I don't like the way they play Pepe. I don't like the way they play him. I don't like the way they bench him. Because sometimes that guy they can't do miracle where they no believe. I don't like that. I don't like that one. Because Pepe a very nice player.
If you say they no bench Pepe, where Pepe go play now? The person where they play ahead of an Sakana, so where he go play?
But at least sometimes supposed to give and game time make you play. Now at least if no be like 10 minutes, no be like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. No. Watch last time upon say that they say wife they for hospital they deliver, but they say one more help in the team. See what happened that day he come, he perform.
Yeah.
You know understand? At least some all those kind of things. Supposed they give us some kind, if not like 30 minutes, 45 minutes, or not be 10 minutes now. It to okay, see how much they take by him. They can't play 10 minutes. That's why I say no be by him, but if person they get a game time to play always, because they lose form. That's why I say they train, but they lose form.
Don't be lying.
So all those things, but I like the guy. They try, they try very well. So now the thing,